How to fix a fridge fan. If you have diagnosed the problem or still need to check, the following list will give you the steps that you can take to find the problem causing the fridge fan to stop working and then fix the problem. Remove the obstruction. It sounds simple, but if you have food stuffed in every nook and cranny of the icebox, you might have accidentally blocked the fan from spinning. Simply move the food so that it is not touching the fan. Test and replace the fan motor. The fan motor is located behind the fan itself. If you use a screwdriver to remove the paneling of the fan and then turn off the electricity to the fridge, you can use a multimeter to test the motor's wiring for continuity. If you get infinity readings coming from any of the connections, the motor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Remove the control panel door. Turn off electricity or take out fridge from electricity for your safety. Replace the thermostat. The thermostat is located on the bottom of the control panel of the refrigerator. Remove the control panel door with a screwdriver and find the metal casing held by a bracket which is connecting the thermostat to the fridge. If you test the two wires coming into the thermostat for continuity with infinity readings, remove the thermostat and replace it with another. RepaiRus can answer the call for all of your fridge repair needs. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and visit our website www.repairus.ca or call us at 647-749-9088.